34 people, including 5 police personnel, injured in Mayang Imphal violence. Authority imposes indefinite curfew in Wangoi subdivision. Civil society organizations and political parties appeal for communal harmony and not to spread or believe rumors. And 5-day induction training program of opioid substitution therapy for substance abusers kicks off at Hotel Classic. Hello and welcome to Impact News. I'm watching Primetime News and I'm Kishore Chandrawang Kimcha with the top stories and latest news this hour of the day. 34 persons are injured in the violence that occurred at Mayang Imphal areas during Mayay Lambi Band call against the death of 2 persons who were allegedly involved in vehicle theft on April 7. 9 houses were also burned, in which Manipur Fire Service saved 8 houses from being completely burned. Scuffles due to misunderstanding between the Band supporters and those who tried to stop vandalization of vehicles during the Band led to the tension at Mayang Imphal Konchak. A jewelry shop and a house were also ransacked. Police had to resort to firing tear gas shells and bullets in the air to disperse the infuriated locals. Deputy Commissioner Imphal West and Geoffrey and top officials rushed to the spot at around 2:30 in the afternoon and put the situation under control. Meanwhile, the authority has imposed indefinite curfew in Wangoi subdivision of Imphal West from 1 in the afternoon until further order. Three persons, including a police personnel who were injured in the violence, were brought to Shiza Hospital. 2 civilians were identified as Thongam Bridget, 23 years, a son of T.H. Devon of Mayang Imphal Thana Awang Lekai Thongkhong, and Kumujama Ashajit, 30 years, a son of K.H. Kulabidhu of Mayang Imphal Konchak. The police personnel has been identified as Haisnam Ranjit, 31 years old, son of Krishna Mohan of Samura Mamang Lekai. All of them were hurt by spray bullets. One of the locals regretted the violence gripping the area and appealed for communal harmony.
Manata lemba yum building mai thado horok padagi torokpan yum chai bu khoina khantona ba sang matam da moina nangmai mathong da no nangmai gumba de bong gumba sara kapak ba ngong de torok pai tare sidi communal rai wolom da la ni ha jani lamen sathok to bu myam ja wa mana pi pa suma thabak sidi kya pamte alu mase lemi na nuksi jana lemi jana ni.
Meanwhile, civil society organizations such as United Committee Manipur, UCM, Akomlub, JCILPS appeal to all the citizens of Manipur to remain harmony in the state, leaving aside all the counter-charges and differences in the opinion. Civil society organizations also request not to spread or believe in any rumors. Aam Aadmi Party also urged the people to remain peaceful and united at this critical juncture. Meanwhile, Director General of Police Range 1 I.K. Muiva also appealed to all concerned to remain peaceful and abide by the law of orders to avoid any further flare-up among the communities living in the state. The BJP Manipur Pradesh President Thanawjam Chawbu appealed to the people of the state not to spread rumors to avoid any communal tensions in relation to the ongoing Mayang Imphal incident. Speaking at a press conference held at BJP's head office, the president accused the ruling party for not taking necessary precautions and instead fighting for positions within the party. He further added that we should all act responsible in such tough times and try to avoid any untoward incidents.
Prajagam Pam Hajari, Rumor Yamna Sandok Pidaba, Kamunen, Piling Chatkidanaba, Nakalamorum, Latram Aswell, Nakalam, Lakulum Doiswe, Nakalam da Amasire, Maite Pangani, Ani Hatkre, Hojingnamo, Maite Mahale, Asi, Ahovani, Maramadana Yamna, Rumors. Sandoktanaba and a press kit home da Prajapana Santi, Lenanaba Hajari, Wapamas hair, a tater spread on a Sandoraktanaba, Kuipunamaki dietale, Manipura labor Prajamoina, Harjanta Partina, Masiwayam, Hakchinalawe, Sarkar Snetoriba, Lona Ranga Iba Mong Shikaram no, Kajodan labor, Mantri Mandono, Mantri Wayega, Wayega di Munadra Lerega, Praja Sirakan the Karito Gehavna.
Thangmaiban MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan appealed to the people of the state to remain calm in relation to the communal tension in Mayang Imphal today. Joy Kishan accused the state government of busy competing for ministerial berth rather than looking into such a situation and taking necessary precautions. He also appealed to the people to keep aside the grudges and maintain peace.
Irang ama tholakadore habisi paliba government sin iu urbu wafam ban toroktana mayam am tholakpasi masi matam chana yengsindaba prajagi issue prajagi punsi prajagi lanthum mayam si kasu laitana khanba makoi gi oiba rajniti gi position du phangnab honab duna hena lumna lorokori tholakpani maduna laiba government sin athubada asuguma thodo ase matang sandoroktana Manipur Pambada Nungai Taba Toto Amaton the number C immediately Makoina Kudakta Tabuk Kadavani.
Taking the opportunity, MLA Joy Kishan condemned the Manipuri Daily Naharol Githodang for quoting his name on the article on BJP President's contest. Joy Kishan added that the President cannot be chosen by lobbying or a race and BJP will abide by the central leader's decision, the MLA concluded.
BJP the dissension have a late day. Koi Manungi internal democracy oiba apam pam the Krapung na wafum delay. Adunatana hoi dissension late belati had. Masday da lobito bagi momo in Uhalapasi like Tibani. Akoi Kudamaki priority say I give pump, I give position the giddy party who have Louis say Masi Punamna koi Kaufadi. Akoi party leadership na Kalakpa any party president though I will be loyal to him.
Meanwhile, JAC, against supporter of theft at the Sagai Sabi today, appealed to all not to give communal color to the incident of Sagai Sabi. Mention may be made that locals caught 3 persons who were allegedly trying to steal a Honda Activa parked near a fish farm at Sagai Sabi under Mayang Imphal police station on April 7. Locals handed over the trio to the police after thrashing them. Later, 2 of them reportedly died, following which tension gripped the area. Speaking to media, JAC Secretary Naurin Brajakumar said there had been incidents of vehicle theft in Mayang Imphal area, due to which locals were frustrated. In the meantime, locals vented their anger following the attempt to steal the Honda Activa, which belonged to Khagemam Ibungo of Mayang Imphal Thana Mamang. Naurin Brajakumar also added that items used for stealing vehicles were also recovered from the culprits.
Kham thambadagi na ahum laga gari je phaktoga inbaji ubadagi mayam tanaraga phabani phabadagi mayam jana khara phuraga police sinagre koi pm to kopi gare tabun tonga laga koi tare mi ani imde leitre heba moi ahumak lilong lenga to oilere me je sema semi je kari karam ground semi no khangdre satra lai tambani hai lai tambadi huram de semo gare moi adu huram sokot pigino sakchu mandabagi namada Hatuk area could be then high issue, you know, pony, young Levaki, young Hunaba, but on the Win Loguni, which is enough.
Normal life has been badly affected by the 18-hour ban called by Popular Front of India against failure of the government to punish the police personnel allegedly involved in the arrest and later murder of Mohammad Ataur Rahman of Lilong Bazaar on October 21, 2015. All businesses remained shut in Lilong Bazaar and Band supporters prevented all kinds of vehicles from plying in the area. School, both government and private, were also closed for the day. Popular Front of India, Manipur State called the Band as the government failed to respond positively on the memorandum submitted to the government, which included punishment of the personnel involved. National Treasurer of PFI, Mohammad Khalid Rashidi, stated that the Tawal district Band was not directed towards any particular community, but against the insensitive government.
Tangdrama thoida ban kauribasi adi XYZ group amagi mayok tanate masigi si communalism sagat pagi damak tanate communalism muthat nangai damak ta ban kaubani ikoi da justice phangdriba insaf phangdriba manabagi thakta ikoi izzat ki sata dignity ga loina na ikoi hingbang amaktriba posak laiba posak singsi masigi si karam na ikoi award tawraga nungsi chanana amaga nungsi chanan laiminaba yagadage amasung ikoi da justice phangadage haiba adugi pandam da ikoi ban nasi kaujabni.
Popular Front of India, Manipur State also strongly condemned assault on 5 youth at Iram Shifai on March 25 and the death of 2 boys from Mayang Imphal. Mohammad Khalid Rashidi added that Muslim minorities are facing discrimination and harassment ever since BJP came into power in the center, and the activities of RSS is increasing in the state too. Drawing the attention of the state government to take prompt action in the prevailing situation, Mohammad Rashidi also appealed not to spread rumors to fuel the tension and stay united against the silent onslaught of some vested interest.
Maitai sing amasung pangan singi marakta masi nungainadaba amasung communalism gi feeling leba kaisu hanadagi ikoina khangpadagi leirakhide BJP na sarkar paira matungda Manipur da RSS ki activity se angakpa phangna makhoi gi plan dagi oiba ngangtane na ikoi laujai masigi se Manipur sarkar na masigi se athu matamda engsallaga maran leiba miyoi sing se masi se makhoi da ain gi oiba chairak pi batai aikoi nungsi chan na hingmin na bahai se aikoi gi main agenda ni tribal leiriba maitai chilnau sing leiriba pangan leiriba se hande su ipa ipu haktak tagi nungsi chanan lai narakpa ngaiktani ai information kya sandoga communal gi feeling ka han ngai hot na ba masi gi su ikoi maitai mcha sing dagi su pangan sing dagi su masi je muslim sing dagi su masi thadok pa phai.
Time now for a short commercial break. Keep watching Impact News.
Classic Hospitality Training Institute now offer Tauzari 3 special job-oriented courses to launch your career. 6 months course in front office operations, food and beverage service, housekeeping operations, level 1 diploma in hospitality operations, level 2 diploma in food preparation and culinary arts. Free counseling session from Monday to Saturday 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Hena Kupamarol Gidama contact Tobiu Classic Hospitality Training Institute, Babina Diagnostic Building, 3rd floor, Rims Road, Imphal West.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime News. Uncertainty over the reshuffle in the Council of Ministers in Okrum Ibobi Singh-led Congress government may get over by tomorrow. Sources reaching Impact News stated that Manipur governor, who is out of the state, may reach Imphal tomorrow and leave Imphal again in the evening. And there is strong speculation that the task of minister reshuffling, including oath-taking ceremony of the new ministers, will be completed while the governor is here in Imphal. Sources also said that 5 current ministers may be replaced in the reshuffling. Now, one-day sensitization workshop on methadone maintenance therapy (MMT) was held today at Hotel Classic under Harm Reduction Strategy of National AIDS Control Organization. A 5-day induction training program of opioid substitution therapy (OST) with methadone was also kicked off on the occasion. The sensitization workshop was jointly organized by National AIDS Control Organization, Nozzle Institute for Global Health, University of Melbourne, Australia, Public Health Foundation of India, New Delhi, Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, and Manipur AIDS Control Society. Dr. R.K. Lenin, Professor, Department of Psychiatry, RIMS, stated that opioid substitution therapy is a very important treatment option for substance abusers, and it has been made available at RIMS since April 2012. Dr. Lenin also added that the workshop was organized to give awareness on the treatment option.
Opioid substitution therapy gi atopa hidak amadi methadone kawe nako haina khangnaba achoba organization sina khoi bharat ki mafam pun sin thungna scale up toba habidi hena pakthok chauthokna laing pathaba si phangana bagi damakta loksin gre adugi ahan ba khongthang oina asigi sensitization workshop asiguma laing lei asmaina togadabani asiguma miyoi singna kana phangi haibasi mayam da paksana khangana bagi damakta asigi program ase sinjabani.
Harm reduction expert from Australia, Dr. David Jaka, said methadone treatment is the best treatment option for heroin users, as it not only prevents the person from HIV, but it also helps in controlling the spread of the virus to other people.
Without it, it's very, very difficult to treat heroin dependence. So it just provides a better program, another alternative to the buprenorphine program. And I think India is a little late in implementing the program, but we're optimistic that it will progress rapidly and expand rapidly in India.
Keep Laishang Hidden Clean campaign organized by Laishang Hidden Development Committee 2015-16 began today at Ibungohal Mani Bridge Point near Pal Ahanbi. The attendees of the opening ceremony also paid tribute to Angom Ibungohal Mani, who conceptualized the idea to promote historic Laishang Hidden on his 71st death anniversary. The Performing Artists Center, Kurai, celebrated its 32nd Foundation Day today. National awardee Okram Jelland and State Kala awardee Sanaja Wakabui were felicitated as part of the event. The attendees also paid floral tribute at the portrait of the deceased founding leaders and faculties of the institute. Speaking at the event, NEZCC, Dimapur's General Body member K.H. Momon said, there are numerous organizations under the Ministry of Art and Culture which exist just on papers in the state, and barely 4 to 5 are genuine running properly in the state. He further added that the state government has already taken up the process of setting up the Central Cultural University, and Vice Chancellor and Registrar for the same have been appointed. However, Momon expressed his concern on the lack of solid reason based on which the university would be set up. Ras Leela by the artists of the institute were also performed at the event. Bajaj unveiled a brand new cargo vehicle Maxima C at Manipur Motors, Mantripur Cree. The new cargo vehicle is not just tough and durable, but comes with a very affordable price. The ex-showroom price for Imphal is at a marginal price of just Rs 2,05,892. Bajaj Auto Limited Commercial Vehicles Area Manager Tapan Dutt launched the Maxima C. Now in sports news, the 20-day AFC B license course organized by All Manipur Football Association began today at the conference hall of Kumalam Park Cycle Velodrome. The course is organized under the guidance of All India Football Federation and continued till April 30. 8 coaches from other states and 16 coaches from Manipur, including a woman coach, is taking part in the certificate course. Coach instructor Savio Madera will conduct both theory and practical session of the course. AMFA President P. Raghumani and other top officers of the association took part in the opening ceremony.
All India Football Federation Thabir Iba instructor Mr. Savio Madera Mahana Haribanami Kunisi courses in Mishita Taki Tamibagi Tabuk Chatagani Loina Loshilapуда Hariba courses in Sigi Makogi Namini Subna Makogi examination Panto Matunda Masigi courses Sigi Region AFC Kutanga Masi Lautarkani. Aduna courses in Yamatoa Yauna Masidi Huriba Simba courses Hida Yamna Punin Jangna Honadana. Experience by instructor Siki Makada, Makoina, Tamhoba, Makoina, Haihuba Yabu Punamasi, Lahugani.
YMYC Yaiparuk Maring defeated YDC Urembam in a league match of the second state level cash prize junior boys volleyball tournament. YMYC beat YDC by 25-21, 16-25, 25-21, 13-25 and 15-11. The tournament is organized by All Manipur Volleyball Association at Imphal Polo Ground. LMYVA Lalambung will play against Model Club Chingamaka in the final match of the 33rd State Level Sub-Junior Boys Basketball Championship. Model Club Chingamaka beat LMYVA Lalambung by 55-27 in the first league match played today at the Brahmapur Nahabam Basketball Ground. In the subsequent match, CYCL Chingamathak beat ESU Wankai by 73-28. Total 5 teams are taking part in the tournament, organized by the Manipur Basketball Association. Now, before we wind up, here's a quick reminder of the headlines once again. District Magistrate imposes the indefinite curfew in Wangoi subdivision. JC appeals for communal harmony. Civil society organizations and political parties appeal for communal harmony and not to spread or believe rumors. And 5-day induction training program of opioid substitution therapy for substance abusers kicks off at Hotel Classic.